What is going on, guys? My name is Yousef. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about money, trading, investing, and all about saving. And in this particular video, we're going to be talking about WeBull, Robinhood, Cash App, or your favorite app to start trading. And I think it's the most important question that I get all the time. They tell me, hey Yousef, what is your favorite app to invest or to trade? And today we're going to be talking about that. So if you find value in the video, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. So the question that I get all the time is, Yousef, what is your favorite app? What is the app that you use to trade or invest into the stock market or cryptocurrency? And I think it's a great question because a lot of the times there's so many apps out there and it's really hard to find out which one is the best one. And as a beginner and as someone who started investing into the stock market and someone who didn't have enough knowledge, I started with the Cash App, and Cash App was literally my favorite app to start investing. And the reason I love Cash App was because, first of all, it allowed me to easily transfer money from my checking account or my debit card into the app, and it allowed me to do basically fractional sales, which was still amazing. It's still a feature that not many of the apps like a WeBull or Robinhood still have it, even though they're planning to get that sometime soon in the coming few months. But definitely that was one of my favorite features, that I was able to even invest $1, $2, $3, and I'm also gonna leave the link down there. So if you like to start investing with Cash App, you can start basically download the app, use my code to register, and then as soon as you send at least $5 to $10, I believe, to someone else, or receive $5 to $10 basically in your account, you get an extra $10. I believe that's the bonus that you're gonna be getting. But today we're not talking about Cash App. Today I'm talking about WeBull. And WeBull has been one of my favorites since very recent. And I tell you why. Just because there's so many apps out there and they're not really meant to be for professional traders. They're meant to be for rookies and basically someone who's super new to investing. And what I have noticed is a lot of the apps like Robinhood, they're great apps, and I still invest with Robinhood. And I also leave the link down there for you guys too if you like to start investing with Robinhood, and you get one free stock as well if you sign up with my link. But the thing that I didn't really like about Robinhood is, first of all, they don't allow you fractional sales. And also what it does, it has been very glitchy. It has had a lot of problem. There was multiple days that the system was completely down, and it happened to be the days that the market has the biggest gains. So not many people were able to basically sell their stocks or buy stocks on that particular day. And they lost so much money, and I believe they got sued for those few days, and so many different people sued them. And I think it's not the type of relationship you want to have with your clients, because people lose their trust into the app so quickly. And after that, it just made me not really like the app, just because on those particular days I wasn't able to sell my stocks, and I was stuck with the number that it was super high, and literally the next day it came all down, and basically I wasn't able to make any profits out of my stocks. But again, that doesn't make me stop trading with basically Robinhood, just because I think it's a very easy app to use, and it's super easy to basically do your trading, buying, selling options, ETFs, and a lot of the stuff that everybody needs to be doing on the trading app basically. But still, it goes to my last app, and my favorite all-time app has been basically WeBull. And the reason that I love WeBull so much is it gives me the feeling that it's really for the professionals. It's not for everybody. So definitely when you start investing, you might start investing with Cash App, then you level up to Robinhood, then you will level up to something a little bit more professional, which would be the WeBull, which gives you the right amount of tools to basically start trading not only options or not only stocks, but it also gives you the option to basically start trading or basically buying and selling cryptocurrency, which was one of my favorite part of the investment, is definitely investing into cryptocurrency. I leave the link down there for you guys and up here for you guys, so you can see my free basically Pi app, that you can download the Pi app and start earning free basically Pi cryptocurrency and mine it on your phone for free and start earning money. But one thing that I love about WeBull is definitely it looks more professional. It does give you the extended amount of pre-market and after-market, which is so important. I know it's a little bit risky. I know it's a little bit more volatile, but I think it's a great basically part of the stock market that you're gonna be knowing that day if the stock's gonna be trending upward or if the stock's gonna be trading downward. Just because whenever you see such an amount of gain in the pre-market hours, then you know it's gonna be a massive day that day. And whenever you see such a dip in the pre-hours, then you know that day it's gonna be going down negatively. And I think it's a great thing that WeBull allows you to actually start investing into your favorite stock so many hours before the stock market open. In Las Vegas time, basically the stock market opens at 6:30, but WeBull actually starts investing and starts the door for you to start investing into any of the stocks that you like all the way from 1 o'clock at night. So all the way from 1 o'clock at night all the way to 6 hours, you have an extra 5 hours of trading with WeBull before even the stock market opens, which gives you an amount of basically opportunity is insane, just because you would know what's going on with the stock market. And if you're planning to buy stocks that day, and if it shows that from 1 o'clock at night that the stock market is going down, at least you're not gonna place the bet to buy certain stocks and wake up in the morning basically seeing that you purchased a stock and then 5 hours later, 4 hours later, you're already down multiple $100s. And that's what usually happens to a lot of my friends, that they buy stocks with Robinhood, and then what they don't realize is the stock market was already going down in the pre-market. So by the time they buy the stocks, their stock gonna be negative right away, and it's gonna take them such a long time again to gain that back. So it is a great future that Robinhood basically don't have, and WeBull is allowing you to basically start investing into the stock market, or opens the market for you in the pre-market hours, almost 4 to 5 hours before the market opens. And it also allows you to trade 4 or 5 hours after the stock market closes. So in Las Vegas, at 1 o'clock, basically the stock market closes, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, but the WeBull still allows you to trade all the way till 5 o'clock, which is amazing, which you have another 4 hours of trading, which you can still buy and sell your stock, or basically stop losing so much money if the stock is going down, or actually be able to invest more into it if you think it's going to go up the next following day. And that's one of the things that I love about WeBull. And basically the platform that they have, you can use it on your iPad, your laptop, your phone, your anything, any platform that you have, you can easily use it. And not only on the iPad as an app you can use it, but you can also use it in the browser, which I think it refreshes so quickly, and it's very on point with basically the stock market itself. And that's one of the biggest benefits that I see in the app right now. And honestly, what I love about WeBull is one thing that it's basically there as a company, they give so much back to their followers, and they give so much back to their clients. I'm gonna leave my link down there in the below, and if you sign up with them with my link and deposit $100, they give you 2 free stocks, basically up to $1,400, which honestly, it's insane. Robinhood only gives you 1 free app, and that usually ends up being like $2, $3, but WeBull is giving you 2 free stocks when you deposit $100, and the $100 you can literally deposit it and withdraw it within a couple of days after you got your basically your bonus stocks. And that's not what I mean that you should be doing. I think you should be investing that $100 with the app, but I think it gives you so much back. And as an app that is basically newer to the basically platforms, and they give you so much to their clients, and they have their clients back. And even if you have basically your whole portfolio with Robinhood or any other app, they actually pay up to $100 for you to transfer all your stock into the WeBull app. And I think that's a great functionality that you guys would be able to use it and take advantage of it. Again, don't forget, I'm gonna leave the link down there for you guys. Click on it, sign up with them. Remember, you have to open an account. You have to open I believe they call it the margin account. You have to open the margin account and also deposit $100 into the account in order to be eligible for the 2 free stocks up to $1,400, which is mind-blowing. Honestly, at $1,400, you could get so many different stocks that are so expensive, and you can make it out of nowhere for you, and you're gonna be that lucky day. It's gonna be that lucky day for you, and you're gonna make so much money out of it. And I know WeBull is an app that, yes, it's going to be a little bit harder for you to learn everything around it, but when you're all set and you learned everything, you're going to notice that you're truly a new basically professional trader, and it teaches you so much. There's so many chats that you can see between people, that it basically you can see what's going on. There's so many people out there that they have more knowledge than me, than you, than anybody else, and it's very nice to be able to read the comments for each specific stock and learn from those little details. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video, and I know I tried to make it as short as possible for you guys. I don't want it to be boring, and I really wanted to have value for you in the video. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up for me. Don't forget, I left the link for you guys down there. Click on there and sign up for the account. Deposit $100 so you can get your 2 free stocks up to $1,400. And hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, please take care of yourself and your family. Hopefully nobody is losing their job. Hopefully nobody is basically waiting around to get some food, and everybody is having a great time at home. Please enjoy the time. I know it's a really tough times right now, and it's tough for people to stay home, and everybody is losing their minds. Everybody is so bored, but I'm doing my best to create a content for you guys that you guys are at least a little bit more entertained at the house. I hope to see you guys soon again. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.